Let's take a look at geometric series. We're going to do a fairly quick little overview of this one, and then the practice problems are in your membership along with like all the worked out answers, so you can kind of make sure that you're on track with it. So this is the sigma notation. If you've done arithmetic series, you've seen that before. Looks very much the same. We're going to start with the first term, and we're going to find the sum of the first 10 terms. So that's what those numbers mean. And so for this, we're going to need to know the first term in the sequence. And so we can see that this is the first term times the ratio to the k minus 1 power, right? So just think about that. Even with this will tell us if we plug in, we want the first term. We could put n as 1, right? A sub 1. So we replaced the notation of a sub n. So we put in a 1. That would give us 4 times 3 to the 0 power. Remember, anything to the 0 power is 1. So 4 times 1 is 4. And there's that 4 that we saw at the beginning. So we knew that would be the first term, but that's kind of like just verifying that that's what it is. So the sum of the first 10 terms is going to be, I'm plugging into the formula here, the first term, 4 times 1 minus the ratio, where the ratio is the number that's being raised to the power. So the ratio is 3 to the n power, and the number we want is 10. So the sum of the first 10 over 1 minus the ratio, so 1 minus 3.